Hey everyone, ever wondered what secrets ancient DNA can unlock about our distant ancestors? A new groundbreaking study has reconstructed the genomes of 13 individuals from Oakhurst rock shelter in South Africa. These ancient genomes, some dating back as far as 10,000 years, offer a deep dive into the region's history and reveal some surprising insights into southern Africa's past. Let's get into how these findings are reshaping what we know about human ancestry in this unique region. Welcome to Trend Storm. Chapter 1. The unique Oakhurst rock shelter. So, what makes Oakhurst rock shelter so special? According to Professor Victoria Gibbon from the University of Cape Town, this site is a rare archaeological gem. Over 40 human graves have been uncovered here, along with stone tools and other artifacts going back 12,000 years. This site, layered with history, has preserved invaluable information about the people who lived here and the cultural evolution that took place. By studying it, researchers can trace how ancient populations moved, settled, and interacted with the environment over thousands of years. Chapter 2. Reconstructing Ancient Genomes. Now, getting ancient DNA from these remains wasn't easy. As Stefan Schiffels from the Max Planck Institute explains, ancient DNA is fragile and easily degraded. It took multiple tries and specialized technology to successfully sequence the DNA of these individuals. But their efforts paid off, creating a time series of genomes spanning nearly 9,000 years, from 10,000 to 1,300 years ago. Chapter 3. Key Findings: Genetic Stability over Millennia. One of the most intriguing discoveries was the genetic stability observed in these genomes. Unlike in Europe, where the past 10,000 years show major shifts in genetic makeup due to migrations and population changes, southern Africa has remained relatively genetically stable. The oldest genomes from Oakhurst were found to be strikingly similar to modern San and Cocoa groups, whose ancestors have long called this region home. According to Joshua Gretzinger, lead author of the study, this stable genetic continuity contrasts sharply with patterns seen in other parts of the world. Chapter 4. The Big Shift, 1,200 years ago. But change eventually came around 1,200 years ago. New groups arrived, bringing pastoralism, agriculture, and fresh languages into the region, which marked the beginning of interactions between these newcomers and the local hunter-gatherer groups. This shift not only introduced new practices and tools but also signaled a unique blend of cultures that contributed to the rich, diverse tapestry of southern Africa we see today. Chapter 5. Implications for Archaeogenetics and Understanding Diversity. The success of this study has major implications for archaeogenetics. South Africa's rich archaeological record is now more accessible to genetic research, giving us new windows into the past. This kind of research provides invaluable insights into human history, helping us understand how diverse cultural, linguistic, and genetic factors evolved in one of the most varied regions of the world. These findings remind us just how much there is to discover about our ancient past. The story of Oakhurst rock shelter isn't just about South Africa, it's part of the bigger picture of human history. Source: Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology. So, what ancient site you'd like us to explore next? Let me know in the comments below and let's keep the conversation flowing. If you're excited about learning more secrets of ancient DNA and human migration, don't forget to hit subscribe and join the trend storm. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more breakthroughs in science and tech, and until next time, keep storming those trends.